In today's video, we're going to be talking about courtesy things that you can do on residential house washes, just to kind of make you look better to the customer, to where they're a reoccurring customer every single year that you need to come wash their house. Before we get into that, if you want to learn how we land jobs just like this one and are able to stay busy year round with our self-wash and pressure washing and parking lot striping, go check out the first link in the description and the comment section. That'll be a link to our Local Domination 2 course, where we will show you everything that you need to know about how to land big jobs to keep you busy throughout the year. One of the things that you can do to make yourself look good on a residential property is all this dirt and leaves that you see. Obviously, we already washed the back side of the house, it's all wet. But before you leave, one of the courtesy things, we're not here to clean the concrete, so we're not gonna put a surface cleaner on it. But one of the things you can do is just spray all these leaves and dirt off that came off the house as you were washing. You don't have to do it, but it just makes you look a lot better to the customer, makes them more prone to call you back for the next season. Another thing that we like to do, and probably one of the things that we get the most feedback for after we do the job, is whenever we're rinsing our self-wash pump on the truck, we'll spray the concrete with that remaining chemical. We'll be sure to spray the whole driveway before we leave the job. That way you're not left with a clean spot and a dirty spot. Because if you rinse your pump, those gas pumps, they tend to rinse a lot faster than the 12-volt pumps. So if you are running a gas pump, you could probably only cover maybe half of this driveway with what's left in your pump. I went ahead, I coated the whole driveway. Again, we're not cleaning the concrete. We're just here to do the house. We did give them a quote on the concrete and the roof wash. The roof isn't terribly dirty. This is for one of our real estate agents that brings us in a lot of work. Those kind of guys that are in the real estate business that we're doing work for, we want to be sure to treat them right, make it look good, because they're trying to sell this home. The faster they're able to sell this home, the faster that they can make money. And if we're able to make it look nice to where it enhances the appeal of it, they can sell this house faster, then it makes us look a lot better. So hitting this driveway with chemical is gonna lighten it up a lot. It was real black whenever we first got here. You can see it starting to lighten up now around the cracks and stuff like that. But just a courtesy thing that we like to do, especially for those real estate agents on our residential properties. Just a few things to think about while you're on the job before you leave. If you want to learn how we land jobs just like this, we're going to show you everything you need to know. Local Domination 2 in the comments and in the link in the description. My name is Jacob, and until next time, y'all stay happy, humble, and money hungry.